I am Joe from Joe's Medical Emporium! Joe's Medical Emporium with the most intense chocolate. Let's see what we have here. Open wide. Let's see. Looks like you have a cavity. You weren't brushing, were you? Aren't you going to give me anesthetic? Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's hear from a million customers. Let's see now. He cut my leg off. He knocked me out with a hammer. And there was one more, very important. I think it was that he ripped my heart out. Literally. How am I still alive?
I brought your heart in a jar.
Oh, thank you. Now why don't you go back to medical school?
I could also get you your leg in a jar.